Adiós, amigos.
Hey everyone, welcome back to Saru Chronicles. Today we are diving into the year function in Power BI DAX, an essential function for working with dates, whether you are analyzing sales, tracking trends, or filtering data by year. This function is a game changer. Let's get started. The year function extracts a year from a date field in Power BI. It's super useful when you need to group or filter data by year. Year column is equal to year of bracket sales of order date. This extracts year from the order date column and creates a new column with just the year. Now let's bring in our dataset and apply this function. We have an Excel dataset containing order date when an order was placed, sales amount, the value of the order. So open Power BI, then just click get data, and we are actually taking Excel dataset. After loading it, we should navigate to data view. Great. Now let's create a new column using the year function. Now let's create a calculated column using DAX. So here it is, the year column is equal to year of sales of order date. Power BI will now extract the year from each order date. Simple, right? But how can we use this in real world scenarios? Let's check it out. So here we are going to apply year in visuals. So now let's create a visualization to analyze sales by year. So for that we have to select one visualization chart. After that, drag a column to x-axis. Next, drag sales amount to y-axis. Finally, we have to choose any column chart that we have applied it. Now we can see total sales for each year. This is super useful for trend analysis. This is great for real-time dashboards. So we are wrapping it out. Today we learned how to use the year function, how to create a year column, and also how to build a year sales chart. I hope this tutorial helped you master the year function in Power BI. If you found this useful, smash that like button. Subscribe to Saru Chronicles and drop a comment. If you have any questions, see you in the next video. Happy analyzing.